Hey everyone, this is Kevin D. Rodriguez, film critic of iCritic.net. Thank you so much for joining me here today on my media channel. Forgive the audio issues today. We're still having microphone problems, so hopefully everything will sound great. But today we are going to be unboxing Weapons. This is from Warner Brothers. I don't buy a lot of horror movies, I'm not gonna lie. It's nothing against the genre, but it's typically just not my thing. But I really enjoyed Weapons. It had a very creative hook. It played out very great. It had a great supporting performance by the villain, the lady who played the villain in this. And I love how, it's a little glossy and everything. Unfortunately, oh well, that happens. And it also came as a little crease, if you will. I also think Josh Brolin is really good in this movie. And yeah, you see images like this, it's like, yeah, that's just creepy. But anyway, there are a few special features on this. The place that shipped me this really did not take care. This slipcover. Oh well, I mean, at the end of the day, the disc is what's important. So let's take this off. As you can see, it's the same image underneath. Let's open it. I'm hoping, of course, it's always like a little crapshoot. Is there going to be like an actual image on the disc, or is it just going to be basic information? We never really know until we can open it. So let's open this. I love it when like the side is like so hard to get off. So okay, and then of course the tradition of taking out the digital code for later. And okay, it's just a blue disc. Really, I mean, some of the information of course is down there, like the length and the rating and stuff like that, but it is HDR and Dolby, so that's nice. But we have no image. Oh well, again, the disc and what's on it is more important than anything else. Packaging is just that, it's packaging, but it's still fun to open it and look at it. So this is Weapons. I'm curious, did you buy this? What do you think of the movie? I'd love to know. Comment below, like, favorite, share, subscribe, and as always, flame responsibly. Have a good one.
Hey, you made it to the end. Thank you so much for making it to the end. Just a few more things. First of all, the names that you see on the screen, these are our Patreon and YouTube member supporters. And I thank each and every one of them. Their support helps me make exclusive videos for Patreon and YouTube members, as well as keep the channel running. And of course, is just of huge kindness to me. Also, don't forget to check out the iCritic-led podcast on Spotify, Apple, Google, Deezer, whatever podcasting service you listen to. It is there. We definitely want to see you there. And hey, there's also other videos that you can check out. So, check out these other channels, these other videos, especially that one. I think that's a really good one.